hakan negas ngay na thumau ya ka jingsha penriam trong ki samla chongi bat ka do kasnam chonga hakin nong yalam bakila chu shani bit nas ngo sarong ya gitu ki MLA khasi jangka bagla krian ya ka nega issue tangba hakan no pat kanong rem baki reject baki kan tat ben krian halor ka nega issue. Before I took this matter, I knew that Article 16.4 will be used against me to silence my voice. Article 16.4 talks about the backward classes, but I would like to question our Honorable Chief Minister, who are the backward classes? Who do you consider backward classes? Because according to the new census, let's talk about that. According to new census, after lockdown strike, after various families were starving regardless of the tribes, after the COVID wave, who are the backward classes? And in the opinion of the state, when almost all the members who spoke of this matter said that it is high time that we have a discussion and we need to renew this policy. So how can we turn a blind eye to all of that? How can we still live in denial that the state is in regression? How can we say that this policy stood the test of time when the state is degrading, seats are being wasted? I'm no longer in need of the educational seat, but I'm fighting for my generation, for the future generations. And why a post remained vacant? So I completely disagree that it stood the test of time. And the leaders were elected by us, for us. And they should use the Constitution to protect us, not as a tool to silence us. We, the youth, have only asked for an equal, level playing field. You cannot silence us this time. And I would like to show you some of the statements made in this assembly. As Ma'am Ferlin said, that Garo has never been able to fill the 40% till today. 23% is the maximum percentage that Garo can fill up the job post, which means that 17% has been wasted. And MPSC last year, out of 7 posts, only 3 posts Garo has filled. That means 4 posts were wasted. So how is the reservation policy working? 4 posts is being wasted. Instead of wasting the 4 posts, why not give it to the Khasi and Jaintia? That is my only question. And Rakang Sangma clearly stated, and I will put a clip on it, that he said that this reservation policy was agreed only for 10 years. Thank you, Rakam Sangma sir, for this. So now it has been 50 years. Please, anyone can answer me. Can anyone tell me why it's been 50 years? And stop using the excuse that the topic is sensitive. Yes, we know that it's sensitive. And that is a reason why it should urgently be resolved and urgently be taken into discussion. If it's not resolved because of the sensitivity, there will be severe consequences that is not wanted, and you know that. So most of the MLAs have said that yes, it is time to at least revise this issue, and we should have at least a panel, a discussion, a committee. But where is the political will? So nga syukur pan shwaban penkut ya ka video bas ngobha por ya vote nga kerpat red ba pen ya vote da kaching stan bon sir ngi ki brong ngi vote da kamen siem da ki emotions ba ani utol ayarap yanga ka ta por utol ayarap yanga kadai ka kamram chong bet ka responsibility chong kinong yalam ben yarap ya ki pet ba kinong yalam kimran kam ching yarap sho ra na makila byang yala dei takadaw ki sa don bor ben yang election dei ki pet ba pat badan kam ching yarap the what to mix re ki emotions por tha vote bet ya MLA basim fit ben lead ya ka state ben nga sugar pat pa next time ha ka 2023 pelai ka ruling party ka NPP kala persya bet kala deb ben ong ba kala reject bet kala kentat yaki samla tengah kerpan nanai sakhaman sngobha ya vote janai sngobha ya vote da ka chingstan bet wadi ong shura ben vote da ki emotions ngila dan kam ya ki bro bet ya ki pat ba barok khat bakin kendet no bakin nam vote sho da ka chingsin e na kim dan kam sho na do man shwa de mangi bayarap ya ki nong yalam Ndai di mangipat badun kam ya kacing yarap ndai da maki. Das mo bahana ni shakaman tangka wehe bala ben kelano ya kan ka state chungi day through votes. The next year ngo baha ngakirpat red ya phebar khoi da pin vote da kacing stan. So